Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, our today's topic is voltage divider law, which is lecture number 5 on this YouTube channel. So far we covered 4 lectures on our channel, and I will also provide those 4 lectures link in this video's description box. So go and watch our previous videos. Now students, if you are new to our channel, then kindly subscribe our channel because it will give us a lot of motivation, and it will be very difficult for me to manage time in this busy routine, but I will manage it for you people to deliver my lectures on daily basis. Now students, firstly I will give you my today's lectures content. Firstly, I will give you a intro on voltage divider law, then I will solve a complex example, and at the end I will give you a challenging problem as an assignment. You need to solve that problem and give answers in this video's description. Now students, we will discuss the intro of voltage divider law. Now students, in voltage divider law, it is only applicable when a current is in series. Why it is applicable in series? Because in series circuit, voltage is different across all the resistance and always divide across all the resistance, so that we applied it in series. While in parallel, voltage remains same, so voltage divider law does not apply in parallel circuit. So it is opposite in case of current divider, but I will discuss briefly current divider in my next lecture. Now students, we will discuss the example of voltage divider law. So students, now in this example we need to find voltage across 2, 6 and 8 ohm resistors. So firstly I apply Ohm's law at V1 to find voltage across 2 ohm resistor. So here V1 is equals to I into R1. We write it R1 because across V1 volt there is a resistance which will be equal to R1. Now students, here we don't know the value of I. So firstly I find the value of I so that our solution becomes simple. I is equals to Vs divided by R equivalent. I write it R equivalent because in series current would be same across all resistance. So here we add all the resistance. So now here R equivalent is equals to, in series resistance would be added. So here it will becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3, which will be equals to 16 ohm. Put this value in this equation of I, so that I will becomes which will be equals to 0.75 ampere. Now students, this value of current would be same across all the resistance because in series current would be same. So I will put this value of I in equation of V1, so that it will becomes 0.75 will be equals to 1.5 volt. Similarly, I apply Ohm's law at V2, so that it will becomes V2 is equals to I into R2. So here V2 is equals to 0.75 into 6, which will be equals to 4.5 volt. Similarly, I apply Ohm's law at V3, so that V3 will becomes I into R3. V3 is equals to 0.75 into 8 is equals to 6 volt. Now students, our main aim is done. We find the voltages across 2, 6 and 8 ohm resistors. Now students, many students are in confusion whether our answer is correct or not. So for this, to solve this problem, there is a back check method or verification method, which is that if the sum of all the three voltages V1 plus V2 plus V3 is equals to Vs, then our answer is correct, otherwise not. So I will here verify that. Vs is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. If left hand side is equals to right hand side, then our answer is correct, otherwise not. Here Vs is equals to 12 volt and V1 is equals to 1.5, V2 is equals to 4.5 and V3 is equals to 6. I add these three values so that it will becomes 12 is equals to 12. Here left hand side is equals to right hand side, so here our answer is correct. Now students, I will give you a challenging problem as an assignment. You need to solve that problem and give answers in this video's comment box. Students, in this practice problem you need to find voltage across 2, 7, 9 and 16 ohm resistors. Solve it with the same method that I explained in this lecture. It would be very easy method. So you need to solve it and give answers in this video's comment box so that everyone can compare their answers. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay happy and stay blessed.